Warther Cutlery got started by a gentleman by the name of Ernest Warther. He was born in 1885. He made his first knife in 1902. And he made a paring knife for his wife, family, friends, neighbors, all loved the knife. As Mooney worked in the steel mill his whole life, he had a knowledge of steel, and it progressed. Started making wedding gifts, stuff like that for special events. And then as time went on, he had a couple sons that finally stepped into the business. His son graduated in 1944. He went off to the Navy and come back. Loved everything about his dad and loved making knives. He got his father, and they all agreed to make the company into a corporation. And in 1955, they incorporated the business. I took the company over about 5 years ago from the Warther family. I personally try to hold the same values as the Warther family did to make high quality kitchen cutlery, and as far as I'm concerned, I mean, that's our goal. And we want to keep that legacy forever. Every knife is touched by human hands. From the grinding of the blade, we hand rivet every handle on, and then we hand sand every handle one by one. So there could be a little variation in each knife, and people just love that we have a handmade product. Every knife is buffed and shined and dressed and sharpened, and we do all that by hand. The stamping air was a process done years ago by Mooney. He started with a corner of a honing stone, and he found out that scratching the blades through the Romans would actually enhance the durability of the surface of the metal. And as time went on, they kept that process alive, and they was able to put that swirl mark on. And enough years that went by that they did that, it became an identity of the Warther knife. And anybody that's ever grabbed a knife or ever been around Warthers and grabbed a knife out of a drawer and seen that swirl mark, they go, oh, that's a Warther knife. And as the process advanced through the years, it's really not advanced very much. We hand stamped these knives for over 100 years, and we knew we needed to find a new solution to bring us forward in the future. So we was looking for the missing link, and as we talked to a few local people, they told us to reach out to Magnet. And Magnet was our missing link that we were looking for. As Magnet come on board, we tried some mechanical means like we do today, and we messed with that for about 6 months or a year, and then we started looking into laser technology. And Magnet was able to reach out to several laser manufacturers, and we finally come up with a Trump laser that was able to replicate our process. So it's been able to help me to be more efficient. I've been able to take that process from my finished grind and be able to take it and put it in that laser. The laser's being able to not only put the swirl mark on the blade, but it's also be able to name the blade as well. Year over year, it would allow us to grow the company 20% per year with this new laser. And if we do need to add production, we can just add another laser. So that laser can run while we're doing other processes. So it's a real game changer for us. We're still a very handmade knife. We're still 95% of the process is by hand, and we're proud to say that we do that. Dave Warther always wanted this company to last forever, and he lived in life, and everything about him was about this company. And with the purchase of the new laser, it helps ensure that the company will live on and last forever.